All right. So I'm here with Vladimir, who is organizing the gathering in Czechia. So where and when are you going to organize the gathering?
Hi, Victor. Hi, everyone watching us right now. Well, I'm super happy that we met and that we have a chance to organize the gathering in Czechia and in Czech Republic. We were looking for the right term because the season in Central Europe can be tricky in September, so we realized to do it last week in August. So we will be starting in Thursday, just the second. We will be starting on 30. I get it right now. We'll be starting on 27th of August, which is Wednesday, and from 28th till 31, we will officially run the gathering in super nice site very near to capital city Prague called Jezero, which means in Czech lake. We can talk about that location later a little bit, or we will talk about it in invitation for the gathering, because it's a nice type of recultivation of a very nice site, which contains very nice biotop for swimming also. So we have a place called Lake, and we will be starting 27th of August.
And you or your team owns this place, right?
Yeah, we were preparing and we are running that recultivation already 1 year of this location. We don't own it, but our investor owns this location, and we are running 5 years recultivation project, which keeps that landmark activities, ecology activities, and we are not building there any houses. We are just very carefully putting there, let's say, campsite and festival spots. So we have there yurta, we have there, we will build in next month 2 Bedouin tents, and we have there 12 very nice tiny houses and different kind of containers for gastronomy.
Beautiful. So what is your motivation for organizing the gathering?
That motivation is connected from all different sides of our not just activities, but also our heartfelt feelings, because we are partly event production team, and partly we are an we would like to be, but slightly I can talk about it. We are like regenerative design thinking team. We are trying to set 2 different locations as this lake is. This kind of regenerative revitalization and a new living concept, especially for communities in new locations where people are moving right now to live, and these places they do not have a soul. So we are slightly changing our event management into that design thinking, that we are helping to different people who are building places where people live with community centers and with places where people can stay together, collaborate, cooperate, talk. So of course, these activities brought us to look around Europe, where we can take an inspiration, and it takes me to connection with you. Thanks for that, and connection with the gathering. And when we look to that map, like, okay, there is a project called Jezero, which can be very nice location for the gathering. and we are very into regenerative culture, talks, things, inspirations. This fits absolutely together to organize the gathering in Czechia.
Beautiful. And what help or support do you need to make this gathering happen?
Perfect. Good question. Thanks for that. We are right now connecting Czech interpreters and social organizations and asking them to be participative and to collaborate in the gathering. And it will be wonderful. And I hope that this invitation will help also. We will be super happy to invite different organizations from Europe to collaborate, to participate in this, because we need here in Czechia inspiration from different countries, because everyone is doing some project somewhere, and we are on some new wave of projects here in Czechia, and I hope that meeting of international organizations and Czech organizations on the gathering in Czechia can help us to set some new concepts into the future. So this is an invitation for everyone who can be thinking about to travel to Czechia and also to participate in the gathering. The doors are open right now.
Beautiful. Thank you.